How to calibrate a plane using its distance from the camera. Here we have a still from a video of the London Eye, and we want to measure the speed at which the Ferris wheel spins, so we need to calibrate the plane of the Ferris wheel itself. Unfortunately, let's say that we don't know the dimensions of the Ferris wheel, so we can't calibrate this normal plane the traditional way by picking 2 points in the plane and specifying the distance between them. We can instead use the Multiple Calibration Tool, which will allow us to create a normal plane without a distance defined in the plane, but instead using distances between planes and the camera. So I also require a base calibration. You can see that we have one calibration set up here already. There's a woman standing in the foreground with her arms spread apart, and I happen to know the distance between her hands, so I can calibrate a normal plane defined by her hands. I can then use that base calibration and the multiple calibration tool to calibrate the plane of the Ferris wheel. So I specify that my base calibration is my foreground. I know that it's 15 feet away, and I can add up to 5 calibrations based on this first calibration. And the one that I care about, the Ferris wheel, I happen to know is 850 feet away. And when I click add, you can now see we've created a second calibration, a normal calibration, without needing 2 points in the plane of the Ferris wheel and the distance between them. We only needed its distance to the camera and a base calibration.